VH1 announced the guest judge is set to join the 10th season of RuPaul's Drag Race, which kicks off Thursday, March 22 at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, PT. Reigning Emmy champ RuPaul Charles will welcome a slew of famous folk to judge alongside regulars Michelle Visage, Carson Kressley and Ross Matthews. This season's guest judges include Christina Aguilera, Shania Twain, Lena Dunham, Halsey, Abby Jacobson, Alana Glazer, Kate Upton, Billy Eichner, Kumail Nanjiani, Emily V. Gordon, Padma Lakshmi, Courtney Love, Nico Tortorella, Audra McDonald, Ashanti, Logan Browning, Tisha Campbell-Martin, Carrie Preston, Andrew Rannells, Miles Heiser, Tadra Collin Lizzo. See RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars 3 Elimination Interview, Vendela Cream Dishes, Handmaids to Kitty Girls. Watch the 14 queens competing for the grand prize of $100,000 are Asia O'Hara, Dallas, TX, Aquaria, Brooklyn, NY, Blair Street, Claire, Indianapolis, In, Dusty Ray Bottoms, New York, NY, Eureka O'Hara, Johnson City, TN, Calorie Kardashian Williams, Albuquerque, NM, Cameron Michaels, Nashville, Tennessee, Mayhem Miller, Riverside, California, Ms. Cracker, New York, NY, Monet Exchange Bronx, NY, Monique Hart Kansas City, Mo, The Vixen, Chicago, Bill, Vanessa Vanchi Angie Mateo, Tampa, FL, and Yuhua Hamasaki, New York, NY. See RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars 3 Episode 6, Was the Right Queen Eliminated in Handmaids to Kitty Girls? Poll. Season 10 will all be 90-minute episodes and will be followed by RuPaul's Drag Race Untucked after show at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time, PT. Be sure to make your predictions so that the contestants can see how they're faring in our racetrack odds. You can keep changing your predictions until just before the next episode airs on VH1. You'll compete to win a spot on our leaderboard and eternal bragging rights. See our contest rules and sound off with other fans in our reality TV forum. Read more Gold Derby Entertainment news.